So hello friends, welcome to our channel pythonji. Today's topic is write a Python program to check whether a given number is even or odd using conditional statement. So first of all, ask the user to enter a number using this statement. Num is equal to int input, enter a number. Then write second command using if else to check a number is given by the user is odd or even. Then go to run. Use this to run the cell or press shift plus enter. As you can see, enter a number. So I enter 45 and press enter. 45 is an odd number. Then if you want to run it again, press 6. 6 is an even number. So it is working, and this shows the output both even and odd. So thanks for watching. Bye bye. Like, comment, share and subscribe. Follow for